Applying for a credit card is simple until small mistakes cost you approvals. The fastest way to get approved is to avoid unforced errors that make you look risky or inconsistent. Spraying applications everywhere can backfire because each one can add a hard inquiry, and too many close together looks desperate. Most delays come from basic mismatches, wrong address format, misspelled name, or a typo in your SSN. Income doesn't have to be a salary, and you don't need pay stubs to apply. Even if you start with a low limit, it isn't permanent. Approval is mostly about meeting the bank's minimum rules and applying in the right tier for your profile. You generally need to be 18 plus, and you'll apply using an SSN or, for some issuers, an ATIN. Income can include more than wages, but your debt-to-income ratio matters because it signals how stretched you are each month. Your credit file has to match the card level, starter, mid-tier, or premium. And remember, utilization is what reports at statement close, not your due date. Before you hit submit, treat the application like a legal document, because the system does. Have your identity info ready, then enter your legal name exactly as it appears on official records to avoid identity verification loops. Use one standardized address format across bills and credit because small differences can trigger a manual review. Report income honestly and in a way you can explain, and don't claim unrealistic housing costs. Then slow down and confirm every field because corrections after submission are harder. Your application result isn't just yes or no, it's a process with predictable outcomes. An instant approval can still be reversed if the issuer can't verify identity or sees conflicting data. Pending review is common, and many decisions land within about 7 to 10 days. Expect a hard inquiry, which can cause a small, temporary score dip. If they ask for identity checks, respond quickly to prevent an automatic denial. If you're denied, you'll get an adverse action notice explaining the main reasons. Getting approved is step 1. Using the card correctly protects your score and keeps the account cheap. Set up autopay for at least the minimum, because one late payment can mean fees and credit damage. Your due date and statement close date are different, and the close date controls what balance gets reported. If you carry a balance, you usually lose the grace period and interest starts building. Maxing out the limit can tank your utilization, and cash advances start interest immediately. Turn on alerts to catch fraud fast. One late payment can hurt your credit for years, so set autopay on day 1. CreditCardAgent matches you to cards based on how you actually spend and shows the estimated dollar impact versus your current card, free, about 3 minutes, no credit check. Links in the description.